Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily use WhatsApp fingerprint feature on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to open our WhatsApp, and here you see we have no security here and it's opening directly without asking any kind of security. So what we need to do is we are going to set up our security fingerprint feature. So first of all, click on these three horizontal dots and then go to settings and just click on settings, and here you see a bunch of options. Now click on account at the top, and after that click on privacy, and here you just scroll down at the bottom and click on fingerprint lock, and here you see it is disabled. So we are going to enable it and just confirm our fingerprints, and then here you go. And after that just click on immediately and then just go back, and you will see your fingerprint lock feature is now set up on your WhatsApp. So we are going to check it, and we are going to just minimize it, and then we are going to open it again, and let's see. And here you see our fingerprint sensor is activated on our WhatsApp. So I hope that this short tutorial will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.